Hey guys, welcome back. I just wanted to make a step-by-step tutorial showing you how to re-download games that you may have had once upon a time but have lost. How to get that data back onto your PS4. To make it a long story very short, the hard drive in my PlayStation crashed and I had to reinitialize it. Essentially, I swapped it out with a bigger, faster hard drive and reinstalled the PlayStation software on there. But unfortunately, doing that deleted all the games that I had saved on that PS4. And so if you're in that same boat, or maybe you've just deleted games to clear up some space on your hard drive and want to go back and play them, this will be a quick and easy way to get those games back. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing that we're going to do is just log into our PlayStation. Make sure that you're logged into your PlayStation Network account and come here to your main menu. Now, when you're here at the main menu, we're going to want to come over and go to our library. Now, your library will show you everything that is on your hard drive of your PS4 currently, but it will also show you things that you've downloaded. So here on the left-hand side, under this PS4, it will show you all the things that are currently on your hard drive, the games that you currently have on your hard drive, as well as some of the applications that are currently on your hard drive. Now, if you come down a little further under your PlayStation Network, you'll see a Purchased and a PlayStation Plus section. These will show you games that you have bought off the PlayStation Network, whether you purchased them using money, or if you just got the free games of the month that are included with your PlayStation Plus account. Now you can go ahead and come in here and you should see a list of all those games that you can go ahead and click and re-download. Now, you will see on my account in the lower right-hand corner of every game, it has the PlayStation Plus logo, that little yellow plus sign, and it's got a lock on it. That is because a few months ago, my PlayStation Plus account expired and I never bothered renewing it. And so those games that were included free have expired for me. If I want, I can come here under the PlayStation Plus, and at the top it says resubscribe to PlayStation Plus. If I were to resubscribe, that lock would go away and I would be able to re-download those games at no cost. If your PlayStation Plus account is current, then you should be good to go. But I just wanted to show people that because I'm sure I will get some questions as to why all these games are locked for people. Make sure your PlayStation Plus account is current and those should work for you. And that is a quick and easy way on how to re-download the games that were on your PlayStation. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to hit me up in the comments section and I will do my best to walk you through it, get you back on your feet and back in the game. I'd appreciate a like and a subscribe. It helps me make more videos like this. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Happy gaming.